but which deals with the electric current which is converted into a chemical energy and the chemical energy which is converted into an electrical energy. By using this reaction we can form this anode and cathode. Oxidation or reduction process can be carried out by formation of this energy is converting as a chemical into electrical energy. Whenever we have this substitutions by using this, the electrolyte and the electric current substance to produce a chemical reaction, it follows a reaction by using this current. And what are the cell introductions to this electrochemistry is, first one we are going to see about what is a conductor. A conductor is nothing but which conduct the metals from all the times. That is, metals which allows electric current to pass through the metals is called as a conductor. And the examples is all metals, graphites which can be used as a conducting material. And next one is the non-conductors. That the materials which does not conduct electric current by using these metals is called as a non-conductors. Example, glass, bead and from other sheets also can be used for non-conductor materials, wood, plastics. These are the conductors. And the types of, what are the types of metallic conductors? There are two types of conductors. One is the metallic conductors and another one is the electrolytic conductors. Metallic conductors which can conduct the metal from the substance from one end to the other end by using these reactions throughout the formation of complex materials. And whenever the electrolytic conductors which can conduct metals from the one end to other end by using the movement of the electrons. Whenever the electrons can move from one end to the other end by using these reactions, we can convert this as from chemical energy into an electrical energy. For this we are using the examples of acids and the base reaction, and these are the two types of conductors. One is a metallic and another one is a electrolytic conductor. And the difference between the metallic and the electrolytic conductor is it can flow the electron current from the one atom to another atom, and from the electrolytic conductors it can conduct the metal from one end to other end by using the movement of electrons. And from the electrolytic movement of electrons it can charge by using this only by anode electron, and the movement of electron by using this cathode electron. And the third point is it can accept only the solid substance, and the electrolytic conductors which can accept the liquid substance from this both acids and the base reactions. So these are the important functions of the cell terminologies. And next we are going to see about what are the types of electrolytic conductors. The types of electrolytic conductors is nothing but, first one is there are the three types of electrolytic conductors. One is a strong, weak and non-electrolyte. Strong electrolyte is nothing but the metals which can ionize completely in all dilutions is called as a strong electrolyte. And the example that is a HCl, NaOH and NaCl. Most of the salts can be ionized in all dilutions. And whenever the weak electrolytes which can combine, that is acid, CH3COH acid, acetic acid, which can partially ionize in all dilution. The substance which can partially ionize in all dilutions is called as a weak electrolytes. And the non-electrolytes is nothing but the solutions does not ionize in any dilutions, that is called as a non-electrolytes. And the example is what glucose, sugar, materials. These are the types of electrolytic. There are the strong, weak and non-electrolytes. So these are the formations of the electrolyte to produces the, whether it is soluble in water or non-soluble in water, and completely ionizes in water, which is producing by these activities. And the cell terminologies. What are the cell terminologies we are going to consider is that whenever the cell has more current, the first one is the cell terminology is, first we are using a battery. We can use current instead of the current, which is a flow of electrons through a wire. Whenever the electrons passes through the wire, it can produce a current. And the second one is an electrode. When the electrode is dipped in, electrode is made up of and it consists of a bar or rod or strip which can conduct an electric current, and it can use for this materials to check whether it is a conductor or electrode. And the anode which is nothing but it can accept the electrons from using of oxidation, and the anode which consists of oxidation reaction, and the cathode which is consists of the reduction reaction. It can be represented by using this anodes and reductant. So these are the examples for this. And the last one is electrolyte. Electrolyte is nothing but it is a water insoluble substance forming ions in solution. So these are the terminologies for this introductions to electrochemistry. Thank you.